In this video, we install a bathroom fan. Hello everybody, my name is Patrick and this is Dad Life Projects. I'm here with my brother-in-law Steve, and he's going to be replacing his bathroom fan with his brand new Braun one. So, let's get to work.
Okay, first thing you gotta do is just kind of reach in here and pull this thing down. And it's got these little spring clip things. You gotta pinch them together to pull it out, just to get this cover off. It can be a little bit of a pain, but that's kind of what they look like. You gotta pinch them. And then you gotta unplug it like that. Okay, so just use a flat blade screwdriver. Just pop one side off. And then just bring it out like that. Alright, so that was about, a few years, maybe 10 years worth of dust up under there. So here's the new unit, kind of a nice squirrel cage fan, so it's supposed to be a little more powerful, a little quieter. And then so this one goes in exactly the same way that the other one came out and went in many years ago. So you just pop it in. There we go. Sometimes it just takes a little massaging to get it in there. And it's the same plug setup, so you just plug it in like that. And then it came with the new cover. So the same kind of spring clips. Goes in the same place. But first, maybe we should test and make sure it works. Yep. That looks good. Just like that. That's it.
Perfect. Well, I'd say that's a job well done.
Thank you.
Check out my next video Saturday morning. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Dad Life Projects. Or email me at dadlifeprojects@gmail.com. Since you're here, why don't you check out these two videos right here. Also subscribe down below. And remember, any project you do, you are the project manager. Thank you.